Today, we're unlocking something smart, something simple, and something that's making waves all across America. This video is about the Capital One Duo, and trust me, this is not just another card, this is a total game changer. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover what exactly is the Capital One Duo, how it's helping everyday Americans earn more, save smarter, and stay in control of their money, like never before. We'll break down how it works, why people are obsessed with it, the major benefits that no one's telling you about, and whether it's actually worth signing up for in 2025. And yes, I know you're busy, but if you watch this video till the end, I've got something special lined up just for you. A bonus tip, a hidden offer that you won't find anywhere else, and it could help you earn more from the same card and account combo that everyone's already using. So don't miss a second, because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with clarity, confidence, and maybe even a brand new way to bank smart in the USA. This is not hype, this is your new money move. Let's get started. So what exactly is the Capital One Duo, and why is everybody talking about it right now? Here's the deal. Capital One Duo is not just one thing. It's actually a combination of two powerful financial tools working together under one smart system. Number one is the Capital One 360 checking account, and number two is the Capital One credit card that's paired with it. When you combine them, you get a duo that's designed to give you maximum control over your money. It's like having a personal finance team right in your pocket. Let's break it down real simple. The checking account helps you manage your cash with zero monthly fees, no minimums, and you can access your money from over 70,000 ATMs nationwide. That's freedom and flexibility with no hidden traps. Then comes the credit card. This is where things get juicy, because when you link your checking account with your Capital One credit card, you unlock real-time spending insights.